All right, guys. So just like we talked about in the Zoom meeting, you guys are going to go to worditout.com and you're going to go to create. Once you get to create, you're going to go down to table. And this is where you're going to look up different multiple meaning words and you're going to make a word cloud. So some multiple meaning words would be clip, crane, date, bark, dough, engaged, fall. So in the directions, I said to have 7 to 15 words. So please make sure that you have at least 7. Letter. And it's really important, guys, that you put these semicolons there just because otherwise it generates something that's kind of a hot mess to read. So once you've done this, you're going to hit generate. And then you have the options of changing up different styles of font or the colors. You can change the size of different words and how frequent they appear. So that's that. And then you're going to save it. If you cannot save it, then just take a screenshot of your word cloud and upload it to Canvas. Please let me know if you guys have any questions.